All right, now let's start with the math functions. Now, actually, the math functions is imported by default. So if I type this function, for example, the print, then inside it I put the round function. Okay, now the round function, it will return the value rounded. So 1.1 should be 1. Okay, so yeah, my keyboard still okay. So here it should return 1. So let's clear the screen first, and yeah, you can see it is 1. All right, now it is 1. If it is 1.5, it will be 2, and so on. Yeah, actually, this is the round function. Yeah, this should be 2 as well. Okay, so actually these functions or methods, which is the round, the absolute, cosine, sine, these are imported from the standard library, which is the math. Okay, so before I show you, let's print another math function, which is the abs, which is the absolute, I mean. So here put -4, for example. Okay, so if I go there, it should be 4, not -4, which is the absolute function. It's okay. Now, actually, just go to your browser and type the Python mathematical functions. And then from there, go to any website. Yeah, it's okay, but it is better to go to the official documentation. Well, actually, this is the best practice, by the way. So yeah, this is docs.python.org. The math functions, everything is there. So you can see that we have the ceil, the combine, the copysign, f absolute, factorial, floor. Actually, everything will be fine there. So if you are interested in such things, okay? But don't worry. Again, this course, we will not handle math at all. All right? So this is how far we are gonna go. Just that's it. Nothing important. All right? Because this is for ethical hacking, security, cybersecurity, and writing your own tools, not for data science, deep learning AI, or algorithm, or whatever. Okay? It's not about that. All right? Okay. Thanks for watching.